In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing music video effect that you can create using Filmora. This effect is super useful if you're working on music videos or anything with a beat-based aesthetic, so let's get into it. We're inside Filmora now. I've already added my clip. This is the main video I'll be using. I've also linked the song in the description if you want to check it out. First, pick the frame where you want the effect to start. For me, it's this frame right here. So I'll just split the video at this point. Now, copy the second part of the clip and paste it onto the second video track. After that, turn off the first video track for now so we can focus on editing the second one. Next, we need to cut out the person from the background. The good thing is, Filmora has an AI cutout option that makes this super simple. Just head over to the video section, then scroll to AI tools and select Smart Cutout. Click on it, then highlight the person you want to keep. You can adjust the edges using the sliders if needed. Once you're happy with the selection, hit the click to start button. Filmora will automatically remove the background. And just like that, we've got our subject cut out. Now, turn the first video track back on. Watch closely here. We need to position the clips properly. Drag both parts and line them up at the point where you want the effect to happen. This timing part is important for the final result. Select the top video, the cutout one, and head to the transform settings. Add a keyframe at the end of the clip where you want the animation to stop, then move the playhead to the beginning of the clip and add another keyframe. This time, use the position controls to move the subject downward until it disappears from the frame. That gives you a smooth motion that looks really clean. Now apply the same timing to the lower video track. Trim and drag it so it lines up perfectly, and delete the leftover end part. We don't need that anymore. To make the effect even smoother, let's add a transition to the background layer. Go to the Transitions tab and search for Call Merge. Drop it between the two parts on the lower track. You can adjust the duration to make the transition faster or slower, depending on the vibe you want. And of course, you can experiment with other transitions too if you want a different look. And that's pretty much it. Here's the final result. Looks clean, right? You can try Filmora for free. I've added the link in the description. If this video helped you out, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.